Hello there, CodeMaker4 here. We're at my homepage because I made another website thingy. As I announced last year, I am making a new JavaScript plotter. Let me just kind of explain what's going on over here. So the link is codemaker.github.io/codemakers_plotter. And it can plot any function just using the mandelbrot set as an example here. So this might be a bit much to digest. Let me just kind of explain it. So over here, I can just put some JavaScript code. What this website is going to be doing is it's going to be executing this code for every single pixel on the screen. So specifically, this is some code that, given an X and Y position, will output a RGB color based on how the Mandelbrot set is. I could also put something else here, like return X is bigger than 100. And if I then zoom out a little bit, you can see that it is white if the X coordinate of a certain pixel is smaller than 100. It's going to be false, black, if it's going to be larger than 100. I can, of course, flip it around. Or I could say math.square-root x squared plus y squared is smaller than 100. And then we have a circle. Because now all the pixels that are less than 100 distance from the origin will have this statement set to true, so they will return white. This is quite powerful. Just for example, I also added some functions for plotting actual lines. So I'm just kind of add that here. It's called the equal function. And it gets into JavaScript functions of x and y input. And you also have to give this function the x, y, and pixel size. And then what it will do is it will find all the places where the square root of x squared plus y squared is exactly equal to 100. Now, of course, the places where they're exactly equal won't ever line up with a perfect pixel. So instead what it does is it gets this, each pixel can, via the pixelSize variable, kind of know how large it is. So what the equal function does is it kind of checks if this statement was true somewhere inside the pixel. So if I actually check for a larger region per pixel, then of course you're going to get a thicker line. Of course, you can also put normal equations in here, like y is equal to x squared. And then we get our classic parabola. You could also put like y squared is equal to x squared. It can handle almost anything. So sometimes if you look here, I'm going to zoom in with post-production. You can see that there are some, bad pixels. If you turn on the advanced menu, you can actually have some more control about how it renders. Specifically, I'm just going to go for negative level of detail. It sounds a bit weird, but essentially what it does is it's going to be like taking multiple samples per pixel. I'm just going to, just like a tutorial on how these numbers work on the web page. So this here acts like some anti-aliasing. As you can see, it does now take longer to actually calculate, but we do get a very nice cross image here. Again, there's more tutorials on the webpage. Just go play around with this, especially zooming in and out from the Mandelbrot set is very nice. If you do plan on just playing around with the Mandelbrot set, first of all, epilepsy warning. Second, if you don't like the noisiness of this, just go to advanced, set LOD end to -2. It will make everything a little bit smoother. It does, of course, take a little bit more time to complete, but that's just how things go. Next, if you see that the Mandelbrot set looks like this or has large black regions that don't look like an exact Mandelbrot set, that's because you don't have enough iteration set. Just increase the iteration count with the max I variable. And as you can see now, it actually gives the correct result. It does, of course, take longer to compute now. So of course, it's going to be a bit slower because I'm recording. Again, these black regions, they're incorrect. You need to increase the iteration count. Just have fun with this. It's going to be more fun if you put it yourself in the browser, because of course YouTube compression is going to ruin all of this. So it's really doing the anti-aliasing. You can see all the smaller Mandelbrot sets. I might make a more in-depth scripting tutorial later. But again, there's some stuff to see on the website. And there's some code maker for buy.